very good morning to this wonderful session of iCoffee again. My dear friends, as I previously promised, I will be speaking about a small topic, a short topic, which is relevant to the current scenario, which will again act as a marketing tool for all you people to sell the products in a very good way. And apart from that, I'll be concentrating on one ingredient in the product as well. As you have seen, the last week we have concentrated on the coffee. The previous week we had concentrated on the salsitol. So today I'll be concentrating on another ingredient which is present in iCoffee creamer as well as iCoffee black that most of you might have seen on the pack, but the relevance of it is not told anywhere. So I'll be telling about the scientific relevance and the health benefits of this wonderful ingredient, which is the third ingredient present in the iCoffee creamer as well as iCoffee black, my dear friends. I hope everybody is curious to know about this. Well, let me start the session without any delay. Well, my dear friends, the first and the foremost thing, as everybody knows, again I want to reiterate this point that all Indus Viva products are frontline immune booster products. Please have this mantra written in your brain all the times. If someone asks you a question, the first answer that you have to give is all Indus Viva products are frontline immune boosters. Even though diabetes is a disorder and iCoffee is a product which is actually dedicated, which is actually positioned for diabetes, but still even diabetes patients require immunity. See, suppose if you see the nature of the human being, the non-diabetic people are considered to be more immune as compared to the diabetic people, my dear friends. So diabetes always requires more and more immunity to combat the diseases, and we have the product iCoffee with us, which can give you the best of the best immunity to the diabetic population, along with managing or controlling the increased sugar levels, my dear friends. So this is how exactly iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black is going to help you all in managing the sugar levels as well as providing the immunity to all the Vivides, not only the Vivides, all the people pan-India in the world, my dear friends. So this is actually a gift of Indus Viva which can provide immunity to the diabetic population. This is what your mantra should be now. This is once a promotional tool that I am actually giving to you today, providing immunity or increasing immunity to the diabetic population. Please speak in this way so that everybody understands the importance of immunity in diabetic population. That is very important. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, as I told you today, I will be talking upon two important topics. The first thing is immunity and diabetes. That's what I told you right now. The second thing is the third ingredient of iCoffee creamer and iCoffee black. This is called as Mucuna pruriens. If you see the packet, the sachet or the box of iCoffee creamer or iCoffee black, you will be able to find out an ingredient called as Mucuna pruriens. It is also called as kapikachu. So what is the relevance of this particular ingredients in diabetes and what is its relevance in iCoffee? So this is what the two topics will be. So let me continue ahead. See, the first article that I am going to speak here today is from the Monash University. Monash University on April 24th, 2020 has told about an article which clearly says that the fatal outcome, the risk of fatal outcome from COVID-19 is up to 50% higher in patients with diabetes than those who do not have diabetes, my dear friends. See this. This is a very alarming percentage or alarming statistics that I am telling you. Fatality, the people succumbing to this particular disease, 50% of them have a history of diabetes mellitus, my dear friends. 50%. So what our role is, we have to give iCoffee to the people so that the diabetic population will enhance their immunity. So automatically the diabetic people can be protected from all kinds of dreadful viral diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. The other important thing I want to tell you here is that the diabetes, especially in case of diabetes, suppose if a person is very vulnerable to the diseases because of lack of immunity, the beta cells of the pancreas, I think everybody knows the pancreas, it contains beta cells which secretes the insulin. The beta cell damage can be caused by this virus. This is another important information I am telling you. The virus can infect the beta cells of your pancreas, directly affecting the production of insulin, my dear friends. This is very, very important. So with the help of iCoffee, what are you doing now? You are not only developing the immunity, but you are also protecting the pancreas. That is also a very important thing that everyone needs to know. So going ahead with the articles, my dear friends, diabetes may also require specific attention during the COVID-19. This is very important. What is that specific attention? Persons with poor metabolic control of their diabetes, especially in case of diabetes, the metabolic control is very poor. So a significant number of persons with type 2 diabetes are obese, and this may cause problems in management. See, I normally tell these things on my stage events. Normally the diabetes and obesity are like brothers in arms actually. They both are brothers. So if one is there, the other is also there. So diabetes type 2 is always associated with obesity. Itself is a risk for COVID-19, my dear friends. Management of persons with diabetes who have bariatric surgery for obesity, which requires special attention, because especially there is a new trend today of conducting these bariatric surgeries. Bariatric surgeries in the sense the surgeons usually take out the fat from the belly so that the belly looks absolutely flat. So, but these kinds of people are more vulnerable. They are more affected with all kinds of viral diseases in future, my dear friends. This is how exactly the surgeries can also affect the human beings, especially from COVID-19 conditions. And the next thing is persons who have transplantation of pancreas and kidneys and on dialysis, my dear friends. This is very important. People with diabetes are also affected with kidney diseases. Whenever they are affected with kidney diseases, automatically they are undergoing the process of dialysis. Whenever they are undergoing dialysis, they are always vulnerable to the COVID-19 situations, my dear friends. So, with the help of one product, iCoffee, you are managing the sugar levels, you are keeping up the health of pancreas and the kidneys. So, the person has got the most important thing, which is the immunity, so that he or she will be protected from all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, my dear friends. See how exactly one particular wellness product can have a holistic approach. It will have a head to toe approach, which can definitely help you all in protecting yourselves from all kinds of dreadful diseases in future, my dear friends. I hope you understood the point. Well, going ahead, again, the risk of diabetes, especially the risk of diabetes, is always very risky. When you talk about the diabetes, it is always about the complications of diabetes that we speak of. Diabetes is always one disorder, but the complications of diabetes are too many. When these complications of diabetes are too much, it is very difficult for this to be tackled actually. It is very difficult for this to be controlled. So, diabetes patients always have an impaired immune response to infection in both kinds of diabetes. It is not only in one kind of diabetes. They are always, it might be a type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes or a gestational diabetes or a pre-diabetic condition. Everywhere in all different kinds of diabetic conditions, always the patients have a very poor immune system. The immune system is always not reacting properly, and they are always prone to all kinds of diseases or disorders in their future days, my dear friends. That is the reason why all over the world the researchers are now saying that people with the diabetes are only succumbing more to this particular disease rather than the other people. So as I've told you, 50% of the people around the world have succumbed to this disease just because of the history of diabetes, my dear friends. So in most of the programs that I have done, I have already spoken about India as the diabetic capital of the world. So that is actually a very bad advantage for a disease like COVID-19, my dear friends, because these are the people who are more vulnerable. But we have a very good ammunition with us called as iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black, which can control or manage your sugar levels without compromising the authentic taste of coffee, so that you are managing your sugar levels, you are increasing your immunity. Automatically you will have all kinds of immune processes running in your body, and definitely it can help you protect from all kinds of diseases and disorders in the future, my dear friends. Well, the other important thing that I wanted to know here is regarding the statistics of diabetes in India. See, there is one statistic which is actually given so far as the government websites are concerned. By the year 2040, 2040, now we are in 2020, 20 years ahead, India will actually have a growth rate of 126% growth in diabetes in male population. Again, I am repeating this, 126% growth rate in male population, 109 percentage growth of diabetes in women population or the female population. Again, I want to repeat this for you. 126 growth rate in men population, 109 growth rate in women population. On an average, if I have to tell you, it is 128% growth of diabetes can happen in 20 years from now. See the statistics, my dear friends. It is not 100%, it is exceeding 100%. This is a very bad statistics. But we have a very good ammunition in our armory called as iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black, my dear friends, which can help you cut down the statistics, and that is what is the gift of Indus Viva to the whole of India and to the whole of the world. This is what is the most important thing, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, the diabetes can happen because of various reasons. So basically there are four types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, which is called as insulin dependent diabetes. Type 2, which is called as non-insulin dependent diabetes. You also have the third type called as gestational diabetes or the pregnancy related diabetes. And the fourth and the most important thing is called as a pre-diabetes that any one of you can have. Suppose if you have 5 people, 4 of them can have pre-diabetes. This is where the importance of wellness usually comes. Whenever you are prospecting a person for iCoffee, for example, you have to tell during your prospecting process, you have to tell about the iCoffee in this way. Suppose if you are 10 people sitting in a meeting, 9 of you will surely have pre-diabetes and you do not know about this. And suppose if you are starting to consume iCoffee from today itself, you will be protecting your body from type 2 diabetes, which can happen in the future. This is how you have to convey the message to your prospects, my dear friends. Well, what are the reasons for this diabetes? The first and the foremost thing is insulin resistance. The second thing is whenever there is severe glucose production in the liver, your liver is actually considered as a sugar factory. Normally you would have seen sugar factories around India. Similarly, in our body, sugar is actually generated, or it is, the production happens in liver. But whenever the sugar production is more, then only the issue happens. The sugar can enter into your bloodstream and automatically you will have blood sugar, which is nothing but diabetes. And apart from this, obesity, as I told you, diabetes and obesity are brothers in arms. So both of them are brothers. So if diabetes is there, automatically obesity can also be there. So apart from that, genetics also plays a very important role. Increasing age is also a factor. Your bad diet and lifestyle also plays a very important role in the manifestation of this particular dreadful pandemic called as diabetes, my dear friends. See, coronavirus is actually killing the people like it's a, everybody knows it is a pandemic, but diabetes is also a pandemic, which is nothing but a slow poison, my dear friends. It can kill people gradually, but not instantaneously. This is what exactly is called as diabetes, my dear friends. Well, going ahead, as I told you, diabetes is actually called as a disorder, not a disease. I am telling you again, diabetes is called as a disorder and not a disease. Disorder is nothing but a collection of diseases, starting from tiredness, frequent urination, sudden weight loss. People think that, okay, obesity and diabetes are brothers in arms, but it can happen the other way around also. Some people can reduce the weight drastically. This can definitely result in diabetes, my dear friends. And on non-healing wounds, this is also a very important point. Always hungry. People are having heavy appetite. Their basal metabolic rate will increase like anything, causing more appetite and hunger. Sexual problems can happen. Blurry vision can happen. Especially this is called as retinopathy, my dear friends. Vaginal infections can happen in women. Numbness and tingling of feet can happen, which we call it as neuropathy. Finally, more and more thirst. The desire for drinking more and more water is also happening because of diabetes, my dear friends. Now you got to know what exactly is called as a disorder. Diabetes is not a single disease, whereas diabetes is called as a disorder where it is a combination of more and more diseases together called, we call it as diabetes, where the people are more suffering with. So now you got the clear point stating that diabetes is not a single problem. Diabetes is a multiple problem where iCoffee is a wonderful holistic product which is not only controlling your sugar levels or managing your sugar levels, but it is actually managing the whole system. It is managing all the complications of diabetes and associated conditions of diabetes, my dear friends. This is what is the relevance of iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black. Well, going ahead, as I told you, both in iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black, there are 3 ingredients. Why I am emphasizing this point is most of you still have a confusion stating that iCoffee contains the kidney bean, iCoffee contains your fenugreek. This was all present in our old formulation back in 2015-16, my dear friends. Now, the iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black mainly contains 3 ingredients. The first is the coffee bean, the second is salsitol, and the third is mucuna extracts. Again, I am reiterating this point. The first is coffee beans, the second is salsitol, the third is mucuna extracts. There are only 3 ingredients which are present in iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black, and you'll forget about all those kidney beans, fenugreek, All those things are not present, my dear friends. So in probably in short time, we will be getting out to you the brochures as well, which will have a correct ingredient information on iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black, my dear friends. One more thing I want to tell you here, people have a major worry of caffeine in the world today. And I'm telling you, my dear friends, our coffee, iCoffee Creamer as well as iCoffee Black does not have caffeine. They do not have caffeine, my dear friends. They are caffeine free. So going ahead, one more important thing why I am emphasizing this point of caffeine is an ingredient in small doses. It is actually called as a stimulant. It stimulates your brain. Suppose if you have a headache, you just take a caffeine tablet, automatically the headache subsides. But when you are consuming caffeine on a daily basis, you have something called as caffeine dependency, which will lead to anxiety and depression, my dear friends. This is what is exactly going to happen when you have caffeine dependency. But the good point is, the advantage is, our products iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black do not have the caffeine content, so you don't have to worry about the caffeine dependency, my dear friends. This is what is a very important thing. There is one of the important articles which has appeared in one of the web blogs, which was written by a doctor called as Michael Danziger. He clearly says that how will caffeine affect your sugar levels. This is also very important because most of us will drink the coffee or tea which is available outside in the hotels or wherever it is. You know, my dear friends, both the coffee as well as the tea that we drink outside contains huge amounts of caffeine, and caffeine itself is affecting your blood sugar levels. Leave about your sugar. Caffeine itself is affecting your blood sugar levels, my dear friends, because caffeine can lower your insulin sensitivity and it can cause the complications of diabetes like the heart disease and the neuropathy, or nothing but the nerve damage. This is what is exactly happening when you consume more and more caffeine, my dear friends. It might not be through your regular coffee or tea, or you are drinking coffee or tea outside somewhere in the hotel. This can also happen, my dear friends. So this is how exactly the caffeine is actually affecting you. So the advantage that we have with Indus Viva is iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black are totally caffeine free, so you don't have to worry about that. At the same point of time, most of you also had another question stating that, does this product contain sugar? Do this product contain sugar? No, absolutely no. Both iCoffee Creamer as well as iCoffee Black are devoid of sugar as well as caffeine, my dear friends. This is how exactly iCoffee Creamer and Black are formulated. Well, the second point that I was supposed to speak here is about the Mucuna prurens. The third ingredient of iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black is called as Mucuna prurens. Suppose if you have a doubt, please see the pack of iCoffee Creamer or Black. Just turn the pack. On the back of the pack, it is clearly written as Kapikachu or Mucuna prurens. In English, this particular herb is called as the velvet bean. Again, I am telling you this. It is called as the velvet bean or cow hedge. Cow hedge. See, normally we use the seeds of this particular plant, and normally this is seen as a weed which is actually growing across. Weed which is growing across India. Wherever you see in the fields, in the agricultural fields, suppose at the boundaries of the field, you actually see this particular weed. It is growing like a weed, and ultimately the seeds of this plant are actually used for anti-diabetes purpose. I'll tell you how this exactly acts. This particular Mucuna prurens, it is called as Kapikachu. This is Kapikachu in Sanskrit language. In English, it is called as velvet bean or cow hedge. This is actually found in the ancient textbooks of Ayurveda, which are dating back to 1500 BC, my dear friends. And why this is used in iCoffee Creamer or Black is the main question. I am giving you the second marketing tool for today, which none of the other companies around the world have even thought about. Why I am telling you this is, normally when a person is affected with diabetes or increased blood sugar levels, their memory and stress levels will slowly, it will diminish. The diminishing of the memory as well as increase of the stress can happen in people with diabetes. That is also a very important point that most people are not noting. Suppose if you are diagnosed with diabetes today, people think that, okay, I am taking a tablet for it, my pancreas is working normally. No, but your brain is slowly fading, my dear friends. Your memory loss will happen gradually. Your stress and anxiety levels will increase. That is the main reason why we have used this wonderful ingredient called as Mucuna prurens, which will reduce your anxiety and stress levels and definitely will improve your memory problems also. That is what exactly is called as Kapikachu or Mucuna prurens, my dear friends. Well, talking about this Kapikachu or Mucuna prurens, it is a seed which is called as a velvet bean. Normally it contains an important element called as dopamine. Probably most of you might be knowing about this. This contains an element called as dopamine. Dopamine is actually called as a neurotransmitter in the brain, where dopamine is a substance which is not directly going into the brain. You want a very absorbable form of dopamine which will enter the brain, thereby it reduces the stress and anxiety and improves your memory, my dear friends. That is why this particular Kapikachu or Mucuna prurens contains an element called as L-dopa. It is called as L-dopa, which is called as levodopa or L-dopa, which is the most bioavailable form of dopamine that is available on this planet, my dear friends. So, whenever you are drinking this coffee, which contains this Mucuna prurens or Kapikachu, automatically the levodopa levels will increase in the brain. So, your stress levels and anxiety levels will reduce, and automatically your memory levels will also improve. I'm talking about the diabetic population. Definitely in diabetic population, these things are bound to happen when the sugar level increases. So, iCoffee is a product which is increasing your immunity. iCoffee is a product which manages your sugar levels. iCoffee is a product which will help reduce your stress and anxiety due to diabetes because of the use of this wonderful ingredient, Mucuna prurens, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. Well, going ahead, Mucuna prurens, normally this Kapikachu contains about 5% of levodopa in it. I'll tell you, my dear friends, most of the cases of Parkinson's disease across the world is actually treated by the use of levodopa, my dear friends. And you might not be knowing this particular seed of this plant Kapikachu is the major source of levodopa across the world. Even scientists from across the world, even including in the United States, are doing a lot of research on this particular seed, and we as Indus Viva should be proud of ourselves that we have used this particular seed powder in our product so that it reduces your anxiety and depression levels as well as improving the memory levels in patients with diabetes, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. Well, talking about the complications of diabetes, as I told you, iCoffee is also a product which can manage your blood sugar levels. Along with that, it also manages the complications of diabetes, my dear friends. This is very important. Complications mainly includes the nerve damage or the neuropathy, kidney damage or the nephropathy, retinopathy or the eye damage, as well as gangrene also. This is how a holistic product like iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black can be a supportive product, can be a generalized health supplement for combating the complications of diabetes, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear. Well, last but not the least, I want to end this short topic by again saying that iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black should always be used at least for a maximum period of 3 months to show its good health benefits. It can be taken along with any kind of diabetes medications or insulin also. And even a common man can also use this iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black so that he or she can be protected from all kinds of complications of diabetes in the future, my dear friends. Again, just to end this topic, I want to tell you about the directions of use of iCoffee again, because most of you might not be knowing this. Please use 1 sachet of iCoffee twice a day with 80 to 100 ml of hot water. This is a very, very important thing. 80 to 100 ml of hot water. So automatically the polyphenols which are present in iCoffee will be absorbed into your liquid water. Automatically the polyphenols will be absorbed into your body. It not only gives you an antioxidant effect but manages your sugar levels holistically. I hope you got my point, my dear friends. Thank you for patient listening. This is what the short topic I had to speak about. So this is a question answer time. As I previously promised you last week, I will be taking the last week's questions which were unanswered first, followed by this week's questions. So the questions have been collected by my colleague Miss Asma today. So let me start with the questions. The first question that I am seeing here is, which iCoffee Black or Creamer is more effective? Okay, I'll try to modify this question a bit. Is iCoffee Creamer effective or iCoffee Black effective? So both of them are actually effective. You don't have to worry about the efficacy part of it, my dear friends. So the second question that I am seeing here is, if somebody has sugar levels very low, can they drink iCoffee? A very good question, my dear friends. Suppose I am having very low blood sugar. Can I use iCoffee? Absolutely yes. But please see that you should add around 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to iCoffee. Mix the sugar with iCoffee and drink it so that your sugar levels will not be impaired, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. The third question that I am seeing here is, I am taking insulin along with thyroid issue. Can you suggest what kind of iCoffee can I use? Absolutely, my dear friends. I want to tell you one more thing here. especially for insulin dependent diabetes, you can definitely use iCoffee Black. You can use one in the morning and one in the night, half an hour before your food. If you have thyroid as an additional issue also, iCoffee Black can be used, my dear friends. So the last question of the last week, which I'm going to take here is, can iCoffee be taken on empty stomach? Yes, it has to be taken on empty stomach or half an hour before your meal. Always any kind of diabetes supplements have to be taken half an hour before your food itself. This is very important for increasing the absorption of the product. Never it should be taken after the food. If it is taken after the food, the benefits can be very less. The absorption might be very less. The benefits can be very less. I always suggest you to take any kind of diabetes supplements half an hour before food only or on empty stomach. That is always important, my dear friends. So let me go to today's questions. So, can pregnant women consume iCoffee? Absolutely yes. As I told you, it can be consumed up to 6 months of pregnancy only, not after 6 months of pregnancy. And one more important thing is, even after the delivery, the first month of delivery, it should not be taken. From the second month onwards, iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black can be consumed. The second question is iCoffee advantageous for PCOD or PCOS? Very important question, my dear friends. Most of you might be knowing this, women especially. PCOD or PCOS normally happens because of impairment in the sugar metabolism. Normally, whenever you take some medications for PCOD also, metformin is one of the compounds which is actually given, normally to regularize the sugar metabolism. Definitely in cases of PCOD or PCOS, one can consume iCoffee Creamer so that the sugar levels can be managed naturally, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is, all the ingredients of iCoffee, please list them out. I think I have listed them out today. There are only 3 ingredients. One is the salsitol, the second is the coffee, the third is Mucuna prurens or the kapikachu or the velvet bean. I hope the point is clear. Do we get constipation from iCoffee is another question. Most of you have this complaint of getting constipation after you consume iCoffee. This is bound to happen because iCoffee can increase your basal metabolic rate. In colloquial terms, if I have to tell, this is nothing but increasing the heat in your body. I always suggest you to consume around 2.5 to 3 liters of warm water after you consume iCoffee throughout the period, throughout the day actually, so that your body, the basal metabolic rate or the heat in the body will be reduced. Automatically the constipation problem will also relieve, my dear friends. I hope you got this point. The next question I am seeing here is, does it cause heat for non-diabetic also? The same answer applies. Please drink a lot of warm water, at least 2.5 to 3 liters of warm water, which can reduce your BMR or the heat in the body automatically. The constipation problems also reduce. The next question that I am seeing here is, how long we should use iCoffee? As I told you, as long as you desire it. See, I want to tell you one thing, my dear friends, for every Vivite, we have formulated iCoffee with 2 intentions. One thing is, without compromising the authentic taste of your coffee. We are telling you to use our coffee as a regular beverage instead of your coffee. At the same point of time, the second point is, we are providing you the functional health benefits. This is very important. That is why iCoffee is better than other coffees which are available. Well, the next question that I am seeing here is, once the diabetes is controlled, can we stop iCoffee? This is very important. Yes, my dear friends. Once you have your diabetes under check, it is always the health, your health is in your hands. Always try to keep a check on your diet and lifestyle. Automatically the sugar levels can be managed naturally, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is, what to do for mouth ulcer after consuming iCoffee? Again, the mouth ulcer or the stomatitis, what we call it as stomatitis or the mouth ulcer, happens because of the increased basal metabolic rate, otherwise called as the heat in the body. I would suggest you to consume around 2.5 to 3 liters of warm water daily throughout the period of iCoffee intake, so that such heat related issues like the stomatitis or the constipation or the loose motions will not happen. And the last question for today's session, what I am taking here is, any problem in taking iCoffee 2 times per day, more than 2 times per day? See, this is again a very important question. As I've told you, the basal metabolic rate might increase. That is the reason why we have fixed our dosage as 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, my dear friends. It is always better to take 2 sachets in a day for iCoffee Creamer or iCoffee Black for better benefits, my dear friends. So I hope I have answered your questions. Don't worry if your questions are left unanswered. The next Tuesday will be another iCoffee day, wherein I will be taking up your questions and giving your answers, my dear friends. Thank you very much for patient watching. Thanks for all your questions. I hope everybody is getting benefited with this product knowledge on a daily basis on this wonderful Facebook Live series. I hope please shoot me more and more questions in weeks to come, in days to come. Thank you very much for patient listening. So this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences at Viva Tower, Bangalore. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.